Hey FunXies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm back with yet another very creative and simple DIY, which is DIY miniature bed for a doll, or you can say to keep it or decorate it in a doll house. So without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Let's go. So guys, over here you can see I've taken this cardboard and it's in a triangle shape, and after doing this, as you can see, you can take any measurement you want guys. You just have to keep the size in your mind which you want for your dollhouse bed, and that's it. Then I'll start sticking this card paper, and it's basically a very thin cardboard on the corners of this cardboard. Alright, so once I'm done with that, this is the kind of thing which I get now. And now what I'll start doing is that I'll take this cardboard and also this beautiful blue glitter paper. You can also take any color you want, and I'll take this and then I'll just cut this off from the middle. So basically it's just a half heart shaped cardboard, and on that I'll stick this very beautiful glitter sheet. Then I'll take this craft wire over here guys, and now I've also taken some white pearl beads, and now I'll start beading them in the craft wire. Once I'm done with that, as you can see, this is what I get right now, and I'll just fold the craft wire to get this shape. So once this is done guys, I've also attached it. So now I'll start applying the hot glue gun just to make sure it keeps it in this place. Okay, so once this is now in the place, and now I'll take this card paper and also the same foam sheet but in silver color, and I'll stick this on this shape, and then I'll stick on this back side. Alright, so now this is also stuck on this. Now what I'll do is that I'll use some hot glue gun, and I'll just take some very nice and beautiful colored gems over here. So it's in the same color as blue. So now once I'm done with that, I'll stick this part onto the bed. Now my bed base is ready. Now I'll take this beautiful white lace and I'll start pleating it. So for that I'm using hot glue gun. Alright guys, so once that is done and it's getting dry, over here I've taken this foam sheet, and it's a white plain foam, and I'll just stick some glue on this and then stick the other foam sheet as well, just to get the thick mattress. And once I'm done with that, I've taken this white silk fabric and I'll just cover this on top of this foam sheet. So after doing this, my mattress is now ready. Now I'll stick this to the bed. Yep, so now what I'll do is that I'll take the same lace which I took and I'll start applying it on the corners of the bed. And I'll do this on all the sides. Alright guys, so once this is done, the bed is looking something like this. Now I'll start making the pillow, and that's the most easiest step. You just have to take some white cotton and wrap it around the same fabric used for the mattress. That's it. And you just have to stick it with hot glue gun just to secure it. Okay guys, so once this is done, now I have made 4 of them, and 2 are this beautiful blue teal color and the other 2 are white. So I'll start applying the white first and then the blue ones on top of that. Alright, so once this is done, I've also taken this beautiful fabric which has some polka dots on it with the same blue color, and this will be the blanket. So guys, this was it. This is pretty much the bed which I wanted to show you guys, and it's very beautiful to keep in your dollhouse or for your doll. So I loved it, and I really hope you guys also liked this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.